All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Today I told you we were going to be going over the gas fees and an introduction to that. We actually finished the whole module. It wasn't that long. It was just breaking down the gas fees and how they're applied and how to calculate it. So I'll pan over the entire section here. This is everything that had to do with gas fees, all the notes I took on it. Pretty much wasn't that deep of a topic. If you want to do your own research on it, we can. But I'm not going to do all of this reading right here. I will read the introduction to you. So this section will be our introduction to gas fees. In essence, gas fees are the cost of doing business on the Ethereum network, or in other words, the cost of making a transaction. Now, gas fees are paid in Ether, the native currency of the Ethereum network. The gas fees are paid to the miners who process and validate transactions on the network. The amount of gas you need to pay for a transaction depends on the complexity of the transaction. You see here, transaction fee is the amount paid to the producer for producing a transaction. If the gas price is the cost per unit of gas specified for the transaction in either ETH or GUI, the higher the gas price, the higher the chance of getting included in a block. Now that's what I'm going to read right now. Again, if you want to do your own research on gas, you can. Like I said, it wasn't that deep of a topic. It's just breaking down to us what gas fees are, how they're accumulated, and how they're calculated. We actually finished that entire module, so we moved on. The next one we're going to be going over is the blockchain functions, and we'll start that tomorrow, just so we don't get anything confused and we don't get our wires crossed. We're going to do one module at a time per day. That's pretty much it. Of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.